Well, good morning, good evening, and good day wherever you're watching this from. And this is like a Tarantino movie. I'm starting at the end because so much has gone on this for this particular episodes that I'm doing, and it's going to be in two lots. So it's now Saturday night. It's the Indian Christmas catch up with a whole bunch of Indian rides. The first video, which is going to be part 4, which is what you'll see first, is the Indian ride from Echuca into Bendigo, all the Indian riders coming here and capturing a part of that event today. And I met up with Dougal James, who owns the Black Swan Hotel, the one that we all met at for lunch. So we met at a place in Castlemaine. We all rode together, which was about half an hour, into Bendigo to the Black Swan Hotel. Now, the Black Swan Hotel is owned by a gentleman called Dougal James, and he is a prolific motorbike rider, particularly with Indians. He collects them, restores them, the whole thing. And he bought that pub to display some of his Indians, and he's got them in other places as well. So we saw a lot today. He is a walking encyclopedia about Indian. So the reason I'm doing that as a separate video is because there's a lot of stuff that he talks about, and it's almost like I can't edit anything out because it's really quite fascinating. Now, that's going to appeal to obviously Indian riders and historians of Indians and motorbikes in general. It may not appeal to all my audience, so that's why I'm breaking it up a bit. So, and that will be part 5. Let's see how we go. Well, good morning, good evening, and good day. Welcome back to my channel, and this is part 3. This is part 4. Oh my God. Just the last video, which was 3, because this is going to be 4. You would have seen how hot it was. It reached 45 degrees for me on the road, which is about, look, I say 120 Fahrenheit, but it's really about 113. But hey, what's a few degrees when you've got a 1800cc engine beating the heat back up to you? So I think I have it, or I did, might still have it, a bit of heat stroke. I had a terrible night. I've been up all night. I've been sick. I feel lousy. And where to today? So today we head off to, because I'm in Victoria, you say Castlemaine. When I was in New South Wales yesterday, I would have said Castlemaine. So I'm going to Castlemaine where the meetup is. That's about nearly 2 hours ride away. Then once the meet-up, we've got stands up at 12:15, we all head in as a group, a massive Indian riders into Bendigo, which I think is probably half an hour, 40 minutes away. So a nice, easy group ride into town. It rained last night. Not a cloud in the sky, it is sun shining. So let's get going, shall we? I'm going to unwrap the bike and pack. Of course, to make me feel a lot better, I'll just put on some of this Maybelline lipstick. Thanks, Maybelline. When I was cracking 140 from Deniliquin to Echuca yesterday, my 360 stick must have flown off because it's in the pictures in Deniliquin and it's not in the pictures in Echuca. So it's just flown off. So got to get another one of those. There's another $50. It's an expensive hobby, this motorbike riding. Look, I'm feeling a lot better. It's another hot day though. Some cloud over there. I haven't looked at the weather. Got to ride through it regardless of what's coming. It's actually a bit cooler. There's some clouds over there. Oh my God. I'm heading towards very black clouds. Well, I spoke to the student about the heat. Shit, that looks dark over there. Well, here it comes. It's dark, all the cars have got their lights on, and the rain's happening. Oh, I've packed the dries bone, that'll do. That will do. I can hear thunder and lightning. Shit. I've gone from the sublime to the ridiculous. My God. Here it comes. Oh my God. I don't know if it's going to hail. Okay. What do they say? Duck. Yep, I can hear the thunder. I'm going to keep going because, you know, if you stay here, I just get wet anyway. Might as well just go as far as I can. I do see some patches of blue sky over there. It's calmed down a bit, so hopefully it's still raining, but it might have just been a moment. I don't know what that town is, but it looks very cool. I'm heading towards the blue sky, I think. Patience, grasshopper! About half an hour away, and the rain has stopped and the sky is coming blue. We've got some twisties coming up, woohoo! Sadly, I'm behind the car. Right, we're just coming into Castlemaine, where I'm going to stop for a bit because I'm way early. Had a little walk around, got a couple of things. Right, we're going to the meeting place now. I didn't find anything to film, and I'm still not quite feeling energised at the moment. Okay, they're all here. Well, some of them are here. There's a lot more to arrive. Mr. Hughes. I think so far I'm giving the prize for the best dressed Christmas. Get it Indian, and you got Indian on them. Get out of here.
Thank you to Dougal.
Dougal's over there.
So Dougal's the owner of this amazing place.
This helmet,
killed the bird.
that's got my name written all over it. That's the sort of shit I've done to my helmet, but I've got like a deer tail on mine. Okay, I'm going to the hotel to check in now in Bendigo. I've checked in. I'm on level 3. There's too many stairs, so I'm taking the lift. here's my room. Oh, and that's nice. Okay, this is the end of part 4, the Indian Christmas gathering ride.